I put already the sarap. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Ayan, for today's video guys, I will cook chicken. Ayan, adobo. Chicken adobo. So guys, ito na yung chicken ko, is malinis na siya. This is clean already. So, yummy. Okay. May chicken. And of course guys, mag-ano ko ng kanyang mga yan. This one, ang tawag, ano nga to, sibuyas. Ayan, ang sibuyas. And this is garlic guys. So, kanyang mga lamas. Ano yung lamas? Ingredients, yes. So, magluluto tayo. And then, of course, kakain tayo ng masarap na adobo. So, adobo with pineapple chunks. Adobo with pineapple chunks, guys. So, yan. Anuhin ko lang ito, guys. Yeah. Ayan. Wow. So, ayan na siya, guys. Ang init dito sa amin kasi very, very hot here. We'll make chicken, adobo. Shout out, madlang people! Thank you so much guys for keep supporting my channel. So, ayan na guys, is malinis na sila. It's all clean and magluluto na tayo. Gusto ko na talaga magluto guys kasi anong oras na. Time check it is 11:30 already. So, I need to cook. Okay, let's cook adobo. Chicken adobo guys. So, ito guys, ilalagay ko siya. And then, ang aking chicken. So, magluluto na tayo ng adobo. Lagay lang natin dito sa kawali guys. Ang aking chicken. Wow. Sama na natin ang ating mga spices guys. Lagay na siya dyan. This is chicken adobo. Sarap. And lalagyan natin yan ng tuyo. So ayan na. It's so yummy guys. I put already the pineapple chunks. So ayan na guys. Ang sarap. Ayan o. So yummy. Malapit na siyang maluto guys. Malapit na maluto. So kakain na tayo. We will eat na. Cook already. See? I'll show you guys. It's cook na to. This is okay na. Kunti na lang yung sabaw niya. Ayan o. Kunti na lang yung sabaw niya. And I like it. I think I will eat more rice today. Yan, ang sarap. Init pala dito. So, let's eat guys. And papatayin ko na to siya. Let's turn off this one. Discover lang natin kasi hindi pa luto ang rice. Of course. Rice is life. Okay, so kakain na tayo. Ay, init guys. And luto na ang aking chicken adobo. Sarap. Let's eat! So yummy. Sarap. Kain. Meaning, that's it guys. So yummy guys. Thank you for watching guys. See you again on my next vlog. Bye.